Okay, so here are our last two questions. Number 7 says angle 3 and angle 4 are complementary. Keyword, they have to add up to equal 90 degrees. When it says that angle 3 is 10 more than 4 times the measure of angle 4, find the measure of each angle. So here we go. What I like to do is I like to start each of these questions by writing an expression for angle 3 and angle 4. Now it says that angle 3 is 10 more than 4 times the measure of angle 4, but we don't know what angle 4 is. So what we do in math is we let angle 4 be x and use a variable because we don't know what it is. So now it says that angle 3 is 10 more than 4 times angle 4. Well, if angle 4 is x, I'm now going to translate for angle 3 that it is 4 times x plus 10. 10 more than 4 times angle 4, which is x. Now it says that these two angles are complementary. So I know I have to add those up and set them equal to 90 degrees. So I'm going to do x plus 4x plus 10 equals 90. I'm going to combine my x and my 4x. I'm going to get 5x plus 10 equals 90. And I'm going to subtract over that 10. So I'm going to get 5x is equal to 80. So dividing that out, 80 divided by 5, I get 16. So x is equal to 16. So what I know then, because angle 4 is x itself, I know that angle 4 equals 16 degrees. From there, I'm going to take that 16 and I'm going to plug it in for my angle 3. So I'm going to do 4 times 16 plus 10, and I would get 74 degrees. And what I want to do is just check to make sure if I added those together, I would get 90, and that's a good way of double checking your work. Now, the last question on here on example 8 says to find x and y, and it's very similar to one that we did up above. But this time what we want to look at is where are our same variables this time, all right? So I actually have them in different locations, and I have them marked as vertical angles, right? And I know that vertical angles are congruent. So to start this question, I'm going to do 2x plus 25 equals 3x minus 10, because I know vertical angles are congruent. So I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to subtract over the 3x. I'm going to get negative 1x plus 25 is equal to negative 1. I'm going to subtract over that, is equal to negative 10. Whoopsie. All right, I'm going to subtract over that 25. So I'm going to get negative 1x is equal to negative 35. Wow. And I'm going to get x is equal to 35. So now I have to find y. And what I'm going to now look at is, again, one of those expressions with x, and then how it relates to y. And so I'm going to look at the 2x plus 25, and I'm going to look at the y, and I'm going to notice that these are a linear pair, which means that they have to add up to 180 degrees. So taking that 35 and plugging it in, I'm going to do 2 times 35 plus 10 plus y equals 180. So solving that, I'm going to get 70 plus 10 plus y is equal to 180. I'm going to get 80 plus y is equal to 180, which means that y is equal to 100. And there's our breakout group, okay? Let me know if you have questions further. I'll be here to help tomorrow.